Hallo Leute, ich heiße Prarthana. Our today's question is how are you? Lass uns anfangen. There are two types of conversations, formal and informal. If you want to ask how are you in a formal conversation, say wie geht es Ihnen? Once again, wie geht es Ihnen? Now, wie geht es Ihnen literally means how's it going to you? Or simply, how are you? Now, if it is informal conversation, just ask wie geht es dir? Once again, wie geht es dir? So if you have observed, we use Ihnen for formal conversation and dir for informal conversation. Now let's see some short forms for wie geht es dir. Wie geht's dir? Repeat after me. Wie geht's dir? Or just simply wie geht's? Wie geht's? So now let's see how to answer these questions. Now if you want to say that things are going well to you, you can say mir geht es gut. It literally means things are going good to me. Mir geht es gut. If you don't want to say good because it's just too common, you can use sehr gut, means very good. Or you can say mir geht es ausgezeichnet. Very difficult? Let's break it down. Ausgezeichnet. Ausgezeichnet. It means excellent. So, mir geht es ausgezeichnet. It's going excellent to me. Here's another sentence for you. Mir geht es toll. It's going great to me. Toll, great. Or you can say mir geht es fantastisch. Fantastisch means fantastic. Now things are not going good, but they are not as bad too. Like it's going okay. So then you will say mir geht es nicht so schlecht. Nicht so schlecht means not that bad. So mir geht es nicht so schlecht. Or just simply es geht. Es geht, it's going okay. So es geht. Now if you want to be a little complicated while answering, you can say könnte besser laufen. Okay, let's go a bit slow. Könnte besser laufen. Now if you want to say that things are going bad with you, you can say mir geht es schlecht. Okay, let's say it one more time. Mir geht es schlecht. If you want to be a little complicated, you can say momentan läuft alles schief. It means everything is going bad at moment. Now there are two common mistakes which everyone does while saying or answering how are you. So the first mistake everyone does is while answering they say ich bin good. No, please don't say it that way. It just means that you're good at something. For example, you're good at playing football, you're good at playing guitar. So instead of saying ich bin good, say mir geht es gut. Second mistake. If you want to ask and you, like and you, how are you? Say und dir. Not und du, but und dir. Because we are asking that how's it going to you. So to you, dir. Und dir. Let's see an imaginary conversation. Hallo, ich heiße Prarthana. Wie geht es dir? Hallo, mir geht's gut. Und dir? Mir geht's ausgezeichnet. Freut mich. Tschüss. Tschüss.